10 years later, that's how far I'm going back.
I want you to take it personal. And my personal question to you is, why not you? You've got the brains, you can make decisions, you can study the plan, you can change your life, you can grow immensely in the next few years.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and today is my birthday. I'm the cooking nurse and today we are 31. So yeah, I guess as tradition is, we are going to go through now 10 years ago. It's not going to be long, so stay around and maybe you could catch one or two of the things that I've learned, and I promise they work. Okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and let us grow together. So 10 years ago, I am 21. It's 2015, yeah. I'm 21, I'm just done with nursing school, I'm getting into the world. I didn't know life without being in school, if you know what I mean. I was in boarding school from P6, so that was 2006. So 2015 is also almost like 10 years later. So I had been in school systems for that long, and this time I was going to be free. As an adult, I am getting out, and the dreams I had, boy, I thought I was going to be driving myself by 25. I would have a car, a mansion, children who are already grown by 25, and life would be so good. And when I look back, I feel like, what a journey, what a life I have lived. When I look back at the last 10 years, I get the hope and understanding that things do actually get better, but life still happens. Yeah, on a grand scheme of things, when you look around yourself, you can tell the things did indeed change, but even when you didn't notice, and it still feels like something within is not moving. So I wrote a letter to myself, and I'm going to read this out, and maybe I'll come back at 41 and react to this particular letter. So let's go. Dear Rita, it's 2015. You've just left nursing school. Your uniform is still fresh in the wardrobe, and your dreams are even fresher in your heart. You're standing at the edge of adulthood, broke but determined, nervous but hopeful. You don't know it yet, but the next 10 years are going to shape you in ways you could never imagine. Let me start by telling you this: you will survive. And not only survive, you will thrive. When you step into the city, your world will feel too big, too fast, and sometimes too harsh. You will walk in with nothing but ambition, and somehow doors will open. You will wear a crown you didn't even see coming. Miss Tourism. Imagine that. A dream you've held on for so long that you thought wasn't for girls like you. The same girl who thought her biggest stage would be the hospital ward will suddenly be representing culture and beauty. You will discover your voice, your presence, and that your story also matters. Then love will find you. It won't look perfect, but it will grow you. You will get married, and before you know it, you will be a mother of 3 beautiful children. 3, a whole 3. You who are scared of labor, you have 3 children. Each one will arrive in their own personality and their own lesson to teach you. They'll stretch your patience, your body, and your time, but they'll also expand your capacity for love, resilience, and laughter. You realize motherhood is not the end of your dreams, but another layer of your strength. Let me burst your bubble. You just realized it, and it's still holding you hostage, but just like everything else, you're going to burst it. You're going to conquer, and you're going to come out strong. You will rise. You won't always be broke, counting coins or skipping meals because money has run out. You'll learn the power of saving and discipline of investing, and the importance of making your own income streams. You will discover you can cook. Not like you didn't know, duh. Teach and even build a career beyond the walls of a hospital. In fact, you will not practice nursing. Maybe in future, but for now, no, you're not in uniform. The little girl who thought she would only wear scrubs will also wear aprons, heels, and even business hats. But let's be honest, life won't always feel sweet, my darling girl. Some days will test you so hard, you will wonder if you can make it. Anxiety will sit with you every other single day, like an uninvited guest. Fear of the future will whisper in your ear. What if you fail? What if they don't like you? What if you're not good enough? What if your qualifications do not add up? But the truth is, failure will come and it will teach you. And there's one thing I have seen about you, is that you learn your lessons really well and quite fast. Success will come too, and it will humble you. And in all of it, you'll learn that nothing lasts forever. Hard seasons pass, good seasons return. Life is always moving forward, somehow. And I know up to now, cannot believe you used to cover yourself with a blanket every time you heard of a pandemic because you're scared of death. Even now, you're still scared of death. And yet you still dare to go out. I love that about you, by the way. And here are a few things I want you to hold on to, my dear darling. Number one, your dreams are valid, but they need patience. You see the car you want to drive at 25? You still don't have it. The bubble is burst now. Everything won't happen at once. Some doors open quickly, others take years. Trust God's timing. It may feel delayed, but it's never wrong. Think of it like Ugandan traffic. You've been in Kampala now for a few years and you've seen the traffic, yeah? You will complain, you will hoot, you will shout, you will scream at the drivers, and nothing will change, but you eventually get there. Number two, money is important, but so is wisdom. Don't rush to look rich. Focus on building wealth. Even the 5K notes matter, even the 1K. Future you will laugh when you remember how you once thought 20K was big money. One day you will be budgeting for school fees and rent and all these other things, and you will thank yourself for every shilling you saved. My darling girl, I don't think we did learn that, but we are here now, and we are going to push through this other coming decade. We are 1 year into in a better and more defined space, and I love it for us. When I come back, I will tell you all about it, how we have been able to go through it. Number three, motherhood won't kill your identity. Yeah, it won't. Right now, as we speak, you have a newborn, 4 months. Pa, she's so beautiful. And it feels almost like you're taken up, you're swallowed in these waves. But you've been there before and you're going to come through, come out alive. In fact, it will give you a new one. Yes, you'll be tired, your body will change, and your time will no longer be your own. But your children will also be your mirror, showing you that love, sacrifice, and legacy are worth it and what they look like. Number four, not everyone who claps is your friend. You know that, don't you? At least now you know. You're 21, you know you're very good with moving on, not attaching your feelings. At some time, it's going to hurt in the middle of the decade. You're going to feel alone, you're going to feel neglected, not worth it. But I promise you, once again, not everyone is a friend. Some of them are going to laugh with you because there's free food. There's that. Some are going to be there because you're who you are. Learn to separate them. Know whose hand to shake and whose hand to let go of. Or rather, who to hug. But keep those who stay even when the spotlight is off more close. Number five, take care of your body and mind. Debunk all the myth and the truth and everything that you've been taught as a young girl. Find out what it means to you as a person. There's only one thing I can tell you that I think I am going to also hold on to for 41-year-old me. or old us, that we are a human of our own. You're just a girl who's also here for one time. When you die, that's it, you're done. When you were born, you didn't know, you don't remember where you came from, so now you're here. This in the middle, in between this small thing here, I want you to take full control of that, because that's all you get. Do not live it trying to please anyone. Do not live it trying to sacrifice everything you have. Live it for you, because only then will you feel like you were here for a time and you had a good time. Because once you're gone, you, my dear, are gone. We don't want that. And Rita, don't limit yourself even one time like this. Yes, you're a nurse, but you'll also be a mother, you'll also be a wife, you'll also be a chef, a teacher, a dancer, a comedian.
Nochemanya kurgan tuzarwa kakura. We are the now adults, the new ones. Tingare bagagarango kumwo. Nukushisho kwe mbwe hati. Harumunta kubyo kuri bitaro mwonyesha. Abamwe bakachitera.
Maybe I should enroll for stand-up. What do you think? What do you think? Am I too old? Okay, we'll see. Things are going to unfold every day. Life does that all the time. And you trust me, the future self is super proud of you. You have done so well. We have told our story over and over again. When we were going through it, it didn't seem like it was difficult. When we leave it backwards, it seems as though it was so difficult. But one thing you did was hold me down. You kept me intact. You kept me hopeful. You kept my dreams going. You refused anything that came in between you and I. And here we are. As the cooking nurse, we are 31. Oh, my mom is around. She is still around. She's still alive. And she's probably going to be alive quite longer, so that you can maybe do all the good things you had promised to do for her. But for now, we are not bad. We're not badly off. And yeah, with love and gratitude from your 31-year-old self, who is so proud of you. You did a good job, Rita. You did a good job. Thank you for holding through for these past 10 years. And I'll see you again in 10 years. No, every year I'm going to be uploading a birthday message or video, so that when I compile them in 10 years, we are going to see. The past 10 years, we didn't record as much. I think I only started recording when I was turning 26. And yeah, you have done such a great job. Happy birthday. I hope you live a long and a happy life. I hope you stop worrying. Let the anxiety not control you, okay? Try and be present. Love yourself. Get out of the bubble more. Stop worrying. Things are going to be all right. So, yeah. Happy birthday to me. I learned to hug myself now. It doesn't feel weird. It feels good, because then I know I'm here. I love me. But other people, please don't hug me. Let's keep it that. How it's going. Okay, so I'll see you again next year. Won't I? Bye.